Hi guys, today we're talking about stocks trading and some fact about stocks trading that will be impressive your friend. Um, let's start. Day trading has become incredible popular way making money in the past few years. While the number of traders has been rising, the trend became more popular during the pandemic and the time most people in the US were flush with cash. Thanks you to the similars backpage was trillion of dollar investing rate were also incredibly low and all assets like stocks and cryptocurrencies were doing well. In the article, we will explain what day trading stocks and some of the interesting facts about trading that should be known. First means how to does stock trading work. Day trading is the process to buying and selling stocks with the goal of generating a profit. Unlike investing, day traders usually have expecting short time horizon. This means that are typical not interested in the company's fundamentals. Instead, they focus on chart patterns in a bid to indefinitely entry and exchange price. For example, if you expect the stock to rise, you execute a buy order. On the other hand, if you believe that it will drop, you execute a short order. There are primarily three types of stock trader. First is return trade. This team refers to individuals who trade with their own cash. Think if people who trade using their Robinhood and Webull account. Second, it's are practically traders, commonly known as prop traders. So there are people who trade using a company's cash and TDDV, and we provide people with funds to trade and when we split to profit. Finally, there are industrial traders who are people who trade large companies like huge fund and investment banks. Styles behave there are many types of stocks trading. For example, there are scalpers who focus on opening and closing traders, while miners there are copy trading who simple copy mirror trading for experienced trade. There are also swimming trade, algorithm traders, and grid traders. Knowledge help you minimize risk and take average advantage of opportunities. So learn about stocks market and types of investment proves useful for both beginners and more experienced trading. Interesting information about stock trading. Firstly, it says is always see bending trade profitably. Once limited day trading to 1000 shares before the rules changed in 1996, but the exchanger's small order execution system still allowed so-called ESO-free bending, so make profit with less information and fewer trade than investor have they. Number four is you don't need a lot of money to trade. An important thing about day trading is that the industrial has been democratized. Unlike the past, you don't need a lot of to start. You stock trading career, indeed many people start trading with a little of $500. Companies like Robinhood don't have a minimum balance. Another way you trade when you don't have a lot of money in use leverage. Leverage is idea of using borrow money to trade assets. As such, if you have $200, you can use 31 leverage and trade as if you have $6,000. Another way is you join a prop trading firms like DTV. The firm will give you thousands of dollars to trade with. You have make a small deposit. Number 3, it's 60 years old, beats financial expert actor Rachel Fox, who is only 16-year-old, make big profit from individual in stocks. Fox beat the SP 500 30% return by earning 13.4% profit in 2011, and she had time to teach people only about investigation while acting and doing to school. Historical, we have seen many young retail traders beats will education and exemplary experience performance, and good example for this is what happened with meme stocks during the Wall Street beats frenzy in 2021. At the time, ordinary day trader management outperformed large companies like huge fund. Number 4, it's information for this company. It's short of the Nation Association of Security Deals automatically quotient, and it was the first exchange to operate electronically when it was created in 1971. Um, Today, the index of homes some of the biggest companies in the world, like Microsoft, Apple, and above. It's known for being the leading venue for technology companies. Still, for traders, the leading venue does not matter, since all their stocks are provided in the all brokers. Number 4, Dow Jones detail. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is named for Dow Jones, which was founded by two journalists, Charles Dow and Edward Jones. The company used 30 American companies and tracks stock performance, and has exchanged to companies use 48 times in 170 years, and so many times. Number 6, top stock exchanges. There are three largest stock exchanges in the world. It's the New York Stock Exchange and BATS Global Market. US Stock Exchange trade more than 250 billion daily dollar, and electronic order take only 200 microseconds before they fail to recognize. In stock trading, orders are usually filed by market makers like Virtual Finance and Citadel Security. In other words, when you place an order, the broker wrote it through their companies in order to give you lowest price. This process is known as payment for order flow. Why Halloween is important to invest in? Nobody knows exactly why, but Halloween effect describes the fact of stocks market doesn't better between Halloween and May Day than it does the rest of the year. Stocks often perform poorly during the spring and summer months. This situated and no seasonally. For example, there is constant noise sell in May and go away. It's implicating that stocks tend to underperform during summer. Also, there is situation known as the Santa rally. It means that stocks tend to well ahead at Christmas. Guys, it's all for this video. Check next video and like this. Bye bye.